Right here I'm at the bridge what goes from Leaveney to Australia, and normally in November it would be very low, the water here. And now this time it's almost to the top full. This is not normal for November, so it has rained quite a bit last night. Quite a big area, so got lots of water coming through here.